Hello everyone, you're welcome to this channel. In this video, we want to solve this equation 2 multiplying log of x base 9 all squared plus 3 is equal to 7 multiplying log of x base 9. So stay tuned and let's learn together. Now we're given 2 multiplying log of x base 9 all squared plus 3 is equal to 7 multiplying log of x base 9. Now from here we have log of x base 9 in common. So we are going to represent that by a variable. So we are going to let m to be equal to log of x base 9. So when we do that, we are going to have 2 to the power m squared plus 3 is equal to 7 multiplying m. Now from here, let's bring everything to the left hand side so that the right hand side will become 0. So we are going to have 2m squared plus 3 minus 7m is equal to 0. Now let me rearrange this. So we are going to have 2m squared minus 7m plus 3 is equal to 0. Now to solve for m over here, we are going to use the quadratic formula, which is given by m is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now from here, we are going to compare this equation with the general quadratic equation, which is given by ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now from here, when we compare this with the first term over here, we can realize that a is equal to 2. So a is equal to 2. And then with the second term, b is the coefficient, and so b is equal to negative 7. And then c is the whole of this one, so plus 3. And c is equal to 3. Now from here, let's compute the formula. So m will be equal to negative, you have negative b, and then b is negative 7. We're going to have negative of negative 7 plus or minus the square root of b squared, and then b is negative 7 all squared minus 4ac. So 4 multiplying a is 2, and then c is 3 all over 2a. So m will be equal to, now negative will cancel negative, so this will turn positive, 7 plus or minus the square root of, now negative 7 squared gives 49. Now 4 times 3 is 12, and then 12 times 2 is 24. So minus 24 all over 2 times 2 gives 4. And so m will be equal to 7 plus or minus the square root of 49 minus 24 gives 25 all over 4. And so from here, m will be equal to 7 plus or minus 5 all over 4. Now from here, let's clean this side. And so from here, you can have m to be equal to 7 plus 5 all over 4, or m to be equal to 7 minus 5 all over 4. Now from here, m will be equal to 7 plus 5 is 12 over 4. And so m will be equal to 3. Now from here, we are going to have m to be equal to 7 minus 5 gives 2 over 4. And so m will be equal to half. But don't forget, from here, we let m to be equal to log of x base 9. So m is equal to log of x base 9. Now when m is equal to 3, so when m is equal to 3, what are you getting for x? So we are going to have 3 to be equal to log of x base 9. And according to the properties of logarithm, we can rewrite this as 9 to the power 3 is equal to x. And then from here, we are going to have x to be equal to 729. Now let us consider when m is equal to half. And so when m is equal to half, what are we getting for x? So we are going to have half is equal to log of x base 9. And so from here, we are going to have x to be equal to 9 to the power half. Now you can rewrite this as s is equal to the square root of 9. And so x will be equal to 3. And so these are the two values of x that will satisfy this equation. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and then comment as well. See you in the next video.